Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. One powerful mantra that contains the secret of success and protection, that is Hanuman Chalisa. Within Hanuman Chalisa, we gain the power to overcome any obstacle in life because of the frequency that is quoted in it. Certain deities are there for us who has two specific tendencies, and one among them is Hanumanji. Number one, he is excellent in giving protection. Number two, he responds to you extremely faster because he is closer to the earth plane and he chose not to leave this plane. So he will respond to you extremely faster than others, especially in the areas of power, protection and strength. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing what is the science behind Hanuman Chalisa, how your brain and nervous system rewires itself to manifest certain desires extremely faster. Without any further delay, let's get started. The science behind Hanuman Chalisa and why it actually works in the energy and in your reality. Listen, in this world of noise and chaos, one sound that doesn't touch your ears but touches your soul is the sound vibration of Hanuman Chalisa. People often consider that as a mantra or prayer, but it's actually not. It is a frequency formula, a coded vibration that rewires your entire energy system. Every single line of Hanuman Chalisa was designed not just to praise Hanuman but to tune into his frequency of fearlessness and strength. This rhythm controls breath and controls your nervous system, which is associated with stress and anxiety. So let's start with the sound itself. Everything works on vibration, right? So in Hanuman Chalisa, we have 40 verses. Each verse carries a different specific resonance that helps you to align to your divine self. So when you say Jai Hanuman Jnana Gunasagar, your vocal cords vibrates in a frequency that is close to 5 to 8 hertz, the same frequency where scientists tell the love frequency. It helps to repair your DNA and calms down your nervous system. That's why after few chants, your heartbeat slows down, your body becomes stable, and you shift to your higher consciousness. This frequency is equal to fearlessness. Now think who Hanuman represents: unshakable power and courage. So every time whenever you say his name, your subconscious mind links the sound to the emotion of power. So this is known as neural conditioning in neuroscience. So whenever you chant Hanuman Chalisa, you're not just praying, you are literally rewiring your subconscious mind to respond to life without any fear. Your brain starts associating the word Hanuman to safety, protection and power. This frequency also activates the solar plexus chakra, which is the energy center of willpower. So most of the people who chant this daily, they develop a grounded aura. So now let's talk about the manifestation part of it. Manifestation is not about wishing, right? It's all about alignment. When your vibration is high, your thoughts and reality sync faster. And Hanuman Chalisa is one of the fastest way to raise your vibration because of its rhythm and repetition. Each verse creates a micro pattern between your brain and heart. You are literally expanding your electromagnetic field to match your desire. Every time when you chant it, your breath follows a specific pattern. You don't even realize it, but you are actually entering into a meditative cycle. So when your mind and nervous system is calmer, you literally open the gateway of manifestation, which is your subconscious mind, and your reality becomes so flexible. And finally, I just want to conclude this video by telling that Hanuman is not outside of you. He is the symbol of higher consciousness. He is the version of you that has no limitations, no fear, and no doubt. I hope this video brought a lot of clarity to a lot of people. Thank you so much for watching.